than hi. My name is Pritha Sengupta and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and welcome to your family. If you're new here, make sure to check out my other videos. My few video links are already mentioned in my description box. You can check that out from there. And if you like the content, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. And now let's get started with this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can create 4 different looks from this eyeshadow palette, which is right here, which is from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade of Rose in the Air. I would highly recommend you to buy this palette because not only this thing is a very beginner friendly, but also the shades, the colors, whatever colors are here, are very much versatile and it almost goes with every look. If you want to see the swatch test, then check out this video. I will mention the video link in the description box. The pigmentation is really nice, and if you are looking for a very not so expensive palette, then you can buy this one. Also, I love the colors. I already told you everything about it. And now let's get started with the looks. I'm using this lower transition shade and applying this onto my crease. Always apply your eyeshadow in a circular motion because that's how this works. And I would also like to make a wing and connect it to my crease. Now I'm taking this orangey shade and applying it on my eyelids. I'm not going into my inner corner. Then with the help of a blending brush, I would like to blend the edges. Now I'm taking this champagne shade and applying it in my inner corners, and I want the maximum pigmentation out of this shade, therefore I'm just dabbing the whole thing with a brush and blend. I'm again taking the same orangey shade and applying it under my eyes just to wrap up the whole thing, and then the champagne shade in my inner corners. Now I'm using this white shade on my brow bones to highlight it. For the next look, I'm going for this very deep pink and applying it all over my crease. And then extending it to my eyelids. I'm not going in my inner corners. I'm just applying it on the outer side, and then I'm making a wing and again connecting the wing with the crease so that it gets a bit of definition. Now I'm taking this red shade and applying it in my inner corners till the middle of my eyelids where the pink deep shade ended. And then blend the edges. Remember guys, blending is very important. You always have to blend the edges and also the two shades. Where the two shades are meeting, you need to blend also these parts. Now I'm wrapping up the whole thing using the same deep pink shade under my eyes. Now I'm taking this uppermost transition shade and applying it on all over my crease. Also making a wing out of it and again connecting it with my crease. Now I'm taking this orangey shade and I'm applying it right onto only this part of my eyes. Also on the inner corners, leaving a gap between the two portions. Now I'm taking this champagne shade using my ring finger and applying it on the middle of the two portions where we didn't put any eyeshadow, and then blending the whole thing together with a blending brush. I'm only using the same orangey shade to do my lower eyelids and then blend again. Taking the same white eyeshadow and applying it on my brow bones to highlight the portion. Now I'm taking this lowermost transition shade again, and now I'm applying it on my crease. Now I'm extending the transition shade from my crease to my eyelids, and also I made a wing out of it. Here it is, and then again I connected it with my crease. Now time for this brown shade, which will go right in my inner corners. Using the same brown eyeshadow under my eyes on my lower eyelids to give it a definition. That's it for the video. I really believe that you liked the looks, and if you try any of these out, then make sure to share this on your Instagram story and tag me there so that I can have a look at your creativity. If you want to have a look at my Instagram page, then I will mention the link down in the description box so that you can have a look at it. And also, if you want, you can follow me there. Also, I'm very much all the time online on Instagram, so you can get me easily over there. And yes, smash the like button, comment down below which look you like the most or which look you think is the most easiest one, because this was a very beginner friendly video. Yes, and share this video with everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Click the bell icon right beside the subscribe option so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it for the video. I will again see you in the next one. Bye.